Good afternoon, sir. Are you Roger Brewer?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'll be with you in just a moment, as soon as the public defender gets here. I'm Judge Middleton, and I'll
How
see
you
you
doing?
all right, don't go away. I'm doing okay. It's a beautiful day out there. You stay right where you are, and I'll be with you in a second. Bear with me, Mr. Brewer. We're trying to line up a public defender. Apparently, he's stuck somewhere else, so I haven't forgotten you. I'm just waiting to get all the people here that I need, so don't go away. This isn't ideal. Let's see. Judge Stutzman also had some felony probation violation matters. Thank you.
Got here as soon as I could, Judge. I apologize.
Well, no need to apologize. You're doing the best you can. This gentleman has some mental health struggles. I printed this. I'll need it back, but I guess I could just email it to you, but he's under an order from the probate court presently. So let's bring him in.
Is this just a form of order?
Yes, no, this is, he got some new charges.
Oh, this is our actual. Got it. Thank you. I'm good with that. Thank you, Judge.
All right. Good morning, Mr. Brewer. I don't know if we've met. I'm Judge Middleton. Are you Roger? Roger?
I can't see nothing. There's a thing in the middle of the TV.
Can you see me?
A little bit.
How do I look?
There you are.
Okay, good. Anyway, are you Roger Brewer?
Yes, I am.
You got arrested last night by a county deputy and a state police officer. I have here with me Mr. Keith Stickley. He's the chief public defender for St. Joe County. Let's talk about your charges. They filed a complaint by the prosecutor's office alleging that on July 9th in Mendon
I
Township.
thought it was the 8th.
Well, this says the 9th. Today's the 10th. So if it was last night, it was the 9th.
Okay.
That you did assault, batter, wound, resist, oppose, or endanger Deputy Jason Van Dyken.
How?
He's a deputy with the sheriff's department. How?
Okay, I get that. You told me that.
Okay.
How did I assault him?
Well, the police report said you grabbed him by the scrotum. I think there's
I
a
thought I had a
specific.
hold of his last testicle.
Well, all right, close enough. Either way, I think there's a special rule about that.
Hey, wait.
There ought to be. Yes?
Did I hurt him?
I don't know.
I wouldn't answer any more of those questions.
All right, well, all right. The other charge is resisting and obstructing Trooper Alex Susdorf.
How? They had me cuffed, trying to put me in the back of that vehicle on 60, right?
Hang on a second. Hang on. You're good. Hang on.
Mr. Stickley, the defender, is here. What I need to do, Mr. Brewer, is get an attorney appointed for you, set up preliminary examination. They also charge you with having a couple of prior felonies, which would make that a maximum 4-year offense. I'm gonna
Grabbing his testicles, the 4-year offense. I didn't even hurt him. He was dragging my fucking right arm out off my fucking shoulder, though.
All right. Okay, well, calm down here till we get through this part. Pre-exam for July 22nd, 25 at 8:30, and a prelim if needed for July 29th, 25 at 1 o'clock. Gonna appoint an attorney. I believe it's gonna be Mr. Tim George. Now, I called the probate court. They indicated you were having some difficulties. So I called the probate court. There's an open mental health petition for treatment dated July or June 17th. So were you in a facility for a while between June 17th and now?
Yes, sir. Well, I got out a few days ago.
Where were you?
Bronson, where I was headed when he pulled me over. I was headed back to the mental health hospital.
Well, I'm
There's shit going on in my head. I don't understand.
All right.
I want to get it figured out. I don't want to go to jail. I was headed to the fucking hospital when he pulled me over.
Well, you were headed down M60, which isn't.
Yeah,
M60.
Wasn't it? The east end.
Say that again.
This is pretty neat, Judge. If you look at the cop's camera coming at me, he flips his lights on. I'm right in front of him on the wrong side of the road. I go to the right. His lights were on
What time was it? I couldn't tell from the report. What time did you get arrested?
Fuck, I don't know. The sun was shining on me about right there in the sky.
All right,
There
well,
was
I
a dead
can't
deer
tell.
carcass behind us, and it stunk really bad. Sure, like corruption and hypocrisy and stench all over the land.
I don't doubt it.
At any rate, I was headed to the mental hospital. He turns his lights on. I get over. He comes around behind me. Like, hey, you want to hear my side or his side?
No, I don't want to hear it much yet because I don't want you to compromise your rights. We're going to have a hearing where you get to say whatever you want if you wish to, but your lawyer isn't here yet.
Who was that dude right there?
He's the public defender. He's here to make sure I do
I don't
things
have a lawyer, sir. I can't afford one.
Yeah,
Sir, I'm trying to tell you that it's my advice. I am a lawyer. I'm representing you in this hearing here. My suggestion is not to talk about the actual situation until we have the ability to evaluate discovery, and the attorney that's going to help you out through this case comes and talks to you. He's going to talk to you the next day, okay?
Mr. Brewer, you said you were headed to the hospital, and that may be where you end up here. You're under a probate court order that I don't know too much about, but the officers indicate that you injured him. I'm going to set bond at $5,000 cash or surety, and I'm going to look into, I will allow you to be transferred to a mental health facility.
Can we go back to Bronson?
Yeah, if they think that's appropriate.
May I please go there until I can bond out?
We'll see if we can make that happen. All right, sir. Do you have family on West Street and Three Rivers?
My daughter, Audrey.
Okay. All right. I'm not sure what's going on, sir. You got 0 that I could see, criminal record, but things are going on in your life.
Criminal record if you ask me.
All right, at least you got those 2 things in Indiana, which are old and minor. I didn't see anything in Michigan, but those were some sorts of felonies. Anyway, I'm gonna contact your lawyer, contact your treatment people, see if they can get you back into the hospital pending your next hearing. But in light of that, I set the bond at 5,000 cash or surety. If you do post the bond, yeah, nobody likes that.
Nobody likes being pulled over for not, I don't know, I was doing 52 going east. I was on 60.
All right, you're headed the wrong way. Anyway, if you do bond out, no drugs and no alcohol, no weapons, no assaultive behavior, comply with all pivotal direction.
Middleton doesn't do it. So how long do you think
May be
it'll take
released
to get there?
on order of pretrial supervision if to mental health facility, secure. Also, you're to take all meds as prescribed.
Yeah, I know. That sucks for you though.
Yeah, it does. All right, as I said, Mr. Brew, I don't believe we met before. I guess we'll be seeing each other in the next 10 days or so. But in the meantime, I've got a lawyer for you, Mr. Tim George. Your bond conditions, no drugs and no alcohol. There's no indication that you were intoxicated, although you'd indicated you had smoked some marijuana. You weren't drunk. No firearms, no assaultive behavior, comply with all mental health direction, take all medication as prescribed, may be released to a secure mental health facility. All right, good luck, sir. I'll be seeing you in the next few days. Your lawyer will come out to see you.
Is that the only one that ended up getting through?